This is what I do. The secret behind a 2 to 3 million francs CFA business per month. First thing, I'm going to be very raw in this video. I did not take the time to shave. I did not take the time to dress fancy. I did not take the time to make a very beautiful environment, as you have seen some of my videos, because I wanted to reveal the secret to you clearly and straightforward. Many people will see this video, they will not take it so serious. Let me go straight to the point. This is the thing. First, to make 2 million francs CFA per month, I just need 20 people to buy something for 100,000 francs CFA. Times 20, it makes 2 million. 100,000 francs CFA times 10 is 1 million. Times 20 is 2 million. So it means I have 30 days to find 20 people who can buy a product for me for 100,000 francs CFA. And what is that thing that I can sell to people that will actually cost 100,000 francs CFA? The answer is straightforward. First, I would like to make it and emphasize very clearly: your appearance counts. You have to dress extremely properly. You have to take professional videos. You have to do everything. You have to do everything to make sure that the person that's looking at you should consider that, hey, this person is even able to do whatever he's doing and is explaining in this video. That's the first thing, appearance. Second thing, because I knew that I'm not dressed fancy, people will not take this video seriously. And real information is always given in this nature, like jokes. Second thing, I'll localize a specific problem which people are going through. A specific problem. You know, some people, when they suffer, let's say, witchcraft, and they tell them there is a specific man or pastor or imam or whatsoever, whosoever, even the devil is somewhere there in Benin or in Cameroon or in USA, wheresoever, and he can heal the person will take all his saving and go and buy to make sure he comes out of that particular problem, because that problem is everything he's going through for now. So he needs to find a solution for that particular thing. And that's the same thing I'm doing. I localize a specific problem, targeted problem. What is that problem? It can be money problem. It can be whatsoever, health issues, really health issues. It can be on people's ego. I want to feel like I've arrived. I want to feel like I'm wearing the latest Gucci bag. And because you want to feel like you're wearing the latest Gucci bag, I'll sell you the Gucci bag. And because you have this back pain that's tormenting you for months, I have that particular product where I can source it so easily to sell it to you for a specific price. But to sell it for 100,000 francs CFA, it's expensive, because you cannot be selling a physical product which we can easily find in the market for 10,000 francs CFA for 100,000 francs CFA, just like that. And people, just because they're having that problem, they come and buy. It's clear that's not the case. So what I do behind the scenes is I don't even know why I'm revealing this secret, but anyways, what I'm doing behind the scene is that I will transform that particular problem that the person is having into a digital product, into a digital solution. Because I know you are not the only person suffering that same problem. That's a fact. There are always believers. That's a fact. And there are always people causing the same problem. Because I know you are not the only person causing that same problem, I will take that particular problem and create a product and make sure that everybody who is inside a particular issue, let's assume it is money problem, I will take that money problem that I know you are having, and I'll look at what the market is saying. The market is everybody out there that's inside that particular thing having that same issue. Almost 99% of the population is having money problem. Hey, you're not able to pay your bills, you're not able to do this. I'll atalaku, and then I'll come towards you and then I'll tell you, hey, do you know what's going on? You are having this as problem, and this are the solution, and this is how you can solve your problem in a matter of this amount of days. Do you want the solution to it? And I will truly, and I'll say it before God, I will truly provide the solution to the person's problem. Because I have the real solution to the person's problem. it becomes so obvious for them to buy the solution. Why? Because obviously when they buy it, they truly believe that their solution, their problem is going to be resolved in a matter of days, and they will buy it. And once they buy it, I make 100,000 francs CFA, and I only need to get 20 people every single month to make 2 million francs CFA. That's what I told you. So all what I just said right now, I have packaged it in a solution. I have packaged this thing that I'm talking about right now in a video format. If you're really interested and you really want to have access to this information, do you know what to do? Message me on WhatsApp. Tell me you want to have this solution, and then you give me your 100,000 francs CFA, and then at the end of the day, I give you this solution to your problem. And what is the solution? To how to build a stable online income. And that's what I do. I help people generate money online because I know money is their problem, and I help them solve that money issues because I know, thanks and glory be to God, I have some cash that I'm able to make, and I've been helping people generate a lot. So meet me on WhatsApp, and then let's have a profound discussion about these things so that I can clearly expatiate on how you yourself, you should be able to analyze problems, produce concrete solution, even if you have no experience at all. And then at the end of the day, we help you find the people, because Facebook is like, it knows everybody. On Facebook, there are people that are like, for example, like me on my Facebook. Every single time that I log into Facebook, I must like a video or I must comment a video with the name of Jesus Christ somewhere. Every week I will do that. So Facebook has already grouped me under the category of people who like to look at gospel things. There are people who like to look at Congo Sa. This person has said this person has slept with this person has done like this. That's what they do every day on Facebook. Facebook has grouped them inside one specific category. So Facebook knows the people who are having that back pain. Facebook knows the people who are having that money problem. Facebook knows the group of people who are having this headache. Facebook knows the group of people who like to look at videos of how to make money online, videos of how to cook. Facebook knows it. And then when I bring up my problem of money, I just give $2 every single day to Facebook. Hey, look for me, 3 people or 4 people every day with this $2 or $3 or $10 that I give you, and then you look for me, that person, and send that person to write me on WhatsApp. That's the reason why many people watching this video actually write to me on WhatsApp, because that's what I'm doing and that's what I teach. Stay blessed. See you on WhatsApp.